Where are you now that I need you?
The things you need to make the stickers are tape, double-sided tape, pen or marker, some paper to draw on. So I wanted to make a small yin yang, and this is the simplest method ever. Just cut a paper and cut into a circle, and then you draw the circle on the paper, and what you're going to do now is put on tape on top of the yin yang and put on double-sided tape. Okay, so now I'll be doing the big yin yang, and what I'm gonna do now is take a small round thing and trace it around. After you trace the paper, now it's time to draw the yin yang, the look. And after you draw the yin yang, and what you're gonna do is shade inside the yin yang and trace around the yin yang circle to make it more, So what you're going to do now is cut the yin yang out and put the tape in front, and then at the back put the double sticker. The next sticker is the Too Sassy For You. I traced out the heart shape and I wrote down the word Too Sassy For You, and I draw the boarding, the side boarding. So this didn't turn out that well, but I think I actually like it. I put on the tape and the double-sided tape, and now we're done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not, and put on post notifications on me if you don't want to miss another video like this.